In the heart of Islamic teachings lies the story of Isa, Jesus, peace be upon him, a figure revered not only by Christians, but deeply honored in Islam as one of the greatest prophets sent by Allah. His story is one of miracles, divine purpose, and unmatched devotion, captivating believers across generations. Isa's journey begins with an extraordinary event, his miraculous birth. In the Quran, the story unfolds with Mary, peace be upon her, a woman chosen and purified above all others. She receives the news from the angel Jibril, or Gabriel. Maryam is told of the imminent arrival of a blessed son, even though she was untouched by any man. Shocked yet steadfast in her belief in Allah, Maryam surrenders to the divine decree. Isa is born, a sign of Allah's limitless power, proving that nothing is impossible for the Creator. From the very start, Isa's life is marked by miracles. As an infant cradled in Maryam's arms, he speaks, defending his mother against cures lepers, and even breathes life into clay birds, making them fly. He urges the children of Israel to abandon their arrogance and return to the worship of Allah alone, becoming a powerful reformer in the face. Yet, Isa's life is not without hardship. His message threatens the established order, and his enemies plot against him. But in Islam, Isa is neither crucified nor killed. Instead, Allah protects him, raising him to the heavens in body and spirit, a promise made clear in the Quran. He remains alive, awaiting his destined return to earth in the end times, a moment foreshadowed in Islamic eschatology. Isa's second coming is a pivotal event in Islam. Prophetic traditions describe that he will descend from the heavens to reunite humanity, defeat the false Messiah, Al-Masih ad-Dajjal, and restore justice and peace. He will live among the people, following the teachings of the Quran, uniting the world under the banner of submission to Allah. The story of Isa in Islam is not merely one of a single man. It is a testament to faith, humility, and the divine purpose that connects all of creation. No matter the differences between religions, Isa remains a bridge, a symbol of holiness, revered by billions. His story calls humanity toward understanding, respect, and the recognition of the shared values that bind us as believers. Isa is more than a prophet. He is a reminder of Allah's mercy, the importance of submission to His will, and the transformative power of faith.